Inner awakening. Stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation. Paramahamsa Nityananda, Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact
0802 727 9999.
Email ia@nityananda.org.
नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, Mahadeva is gracing us in the form of removing the curse of the white elephant, the Airavata. Once Dhruvasa cursed Airavata for abusing Shiva's prasadam. So later on, the Airavata came to Madurai, worshipped Sundareshwara and got rid of the curse. Today Mahadeva is gracing us in that form. And the Gurukul kids are also sitting in that form to enact the Leela. And I'll move to today's Nitya Satsang. Again, the subject on completion. Today, I'll expand on the various process, methods, nitty-gritties involved with completion. Today, we are starting the Inner Awakening Program Level 2. First day itself, we will be working on the root patterns in a deeper level. Because from today you are going to start completing with others. So you need to complete so many things with you, within you, so you can start completing with others. understand completion in every level. For example, completion with the planetary forces removes all the Navagraha doshas. Completion with the house you are living removes all the Vastu problems. Primal pain, the pain which started in your body when you took birth, completion with that removes all the doshas, negativities related to birth, and completion with the different elements of your life removes all the doshas related to ratnas and understand completion in every step removes negativities in your life, especially the deep biomemory fears, the fears you carry in the level of biomemory, can be healed only through completion. Please come to the space of listening. Completing with all the incompletions of fear of snake you carry is Nagadosha Nivarti. Completing with Nagadosha. Completion with all the deep unconscious fears you carry brings sleeplessness to end. Completion, completion, completion. With a deeper and deeper and deeper completion leads to more and more and more depth of spirituality. Please understand. Sometimes people ask me, Swamiji, only why very few enlightened beings are there on the planet Earth? I tell them, what are you talking? Of course, due to the destructive, consumeristic lifestyle, materialistic lifestyle, and a very powerful abusive westernization happened in India, number is reduced. But there was a time, literally the living enlightenment was a lifestyle. I know there were some, at least 10 cities where every street one enlightened being will be living. First Varanasi, Madurai, Kanchi. These are all called Mokshapuris. Dwarka. Every street one enlightened being will be living. Haridwar, Mokshapuris. I was studying Kapila's family tree. I was shocked. In one family, how many incarnations? Really? See, Kapila's father, Kardam, Rishi Kardam, and Ma Devahuti. Devahuti had a sister, Prasuti. Devahuti and Prasuti were son of Manu, daughters of Manu. Devahuti's son is Kapila. Prasuti's daughter only is Sati. Literally, Kapila and Sati are cousin brothers, brother sisters. And then comes Kapila's sister, Anusuya, gives birth to Dattatreya. So, Dattatreya is Kapila's own sister's son. Just in that one family, how many incarnations? Kapila is an incarnation. He is an incarnation of Mahadeva. Traditionally, he is considered to be the incarnation of Vishnu and Mahadeva. And Dattatreya. Please understand, it is not story. There was a time where Jivan Mukti was lifestyle. Enlightened beings were lifestyle. That was the way life was. That was the way life existed. पूर्णत्व हर स्तर पर महत्वपूर्ण है। उदाहरण, ग्रहों के साथ पूर्णत्व नवग्रह दोष को दूर करता है। अपने घर के साथ पूर्णत्व आपकी वास्तु संबंधित अपूर्णताओं को पूर्ण करता है। जन्म के समय अनुभव हुई पीड़ा आपके जन्म संबंधित अपूर्णताओं को पूर्ण करता है। बायो मेमोरी के स्तर पर आप जो बाय अनुभव करते हैं, उनसे आप केवल पूर्णत्व द्वारा ही बाहर आ सकते हैं। Understand? Completion. Completion makes whole humanity live enlightenment, live Jivan Mukti, live as incarnations. With incompletions, life becomes more and more difficult. With completions, life became more and more blissful, more and more living. Actually, with incompletions, you don't even know what is right and wrong. Today is Raksha Bandhan. My blessings. Matacha Parvati Devi Pita Devo Maheshwaraha Bandhava Sivabhaktascha Swadesho Bhuvanatrayam. Mata is Parvati, Pita is Mahadeva. So the whole world is brothers and sisters. All the sons of Mahadeva are brothers and sisters. All the three world is my native place, my country. So, the whole world is our brothers and sisters. Blessings to everyone on this auspicious occasion of Raksha Bandhan. Very funny thing, I was reading in some media, newspaper, Facebook also. Some of the media houses in Tamil Nadu, the atheist-based media houses which are destroying the Vedic tradition and trying to alienate Tamil Nadu from the mainstream India, trying to hijack Tamil Nadu from the mainstream India. These separatist guys who have their own media houses, do you know the funny thing? Raksha Bandhan is celebrating brotherhood. They say Raksha Bandhan is not our festival. It is North Indian festival. But the whole Tamil Nadu celebrates left and right Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day is Tamil Nadu festival? Please understand, abusing and attacking all the Hindu festivals is one of the powerful methods being used to destroy Vedic tradition, especially in Tamil Nadu. I strongly condemn and record my protest on some of these anti-national media houses trying to hijack Tamil Nadu from mainstream India, trying to move Tamil Nadu away from mainstream Indic civilization. I am seeing all over the India thousands of Muslims and Christians celebrating Raksha Bandhan. I was shocked when these fellows have started propagating. You should not celebrate Raksha Bandhan, but you should celebrate Valentine's Day. Come on. Is there no limit for the nonsense these guys will do? All my disciples, everyone who is part of our Sangha, will observe and celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Please understand, Indian culture is, other than your wife, you see everyone as brothers, sisters. But in the civilizations where there is so much of incompletions with the lust, other than your mother, you see everybody as possible date. This Raksha Bandhan is a beautiful way of establishing brotherliness. All the schools, colleges should celebrate Raksha Bandhan, promote Raksha Bandhan, so that all the sex crimes will be reduced drastically. Once a girl ties the Raksha Bandhan to a boy, accepting him as a brother, the whole outlook, the whole view, the whole thing is different. Raksha Bandhan should be promoted to avoid sexual crimes, to reduce sexual crimes. Raksha Bandhan should be celebrated in every house. Please understand, nowadays in colleges, schools, boys tend to hide and run away on this day. Fear because the girls will tie Rakhi. No. These big celebrities should start promoting Raksha Bandhan. stop this constant crush on whoever you see. This third-rate cheap pattern, like a dog which puts his mouth on anything it sees in the street. See in Indian villages, the street dogs, stray dogs and the pigs, they will put their mouth on anything they see. Whether it is food or processed food. Food processed through the human body. Processed, digested and ejected through human body. Now this constantly cherishing, entertaining, the subtle crush is a very big incompletion. Not only the person who carries the crush entertaining, even the person towards whom it is aimed, even they enjoying it subtly and entertaining. It's a very big incompletion. Please understand. Attitudes and relationships should be clear and established. Only then flowering of the personalities happen. Attitudes and relationships should be clear and with established boundaries. Life with incompletion, constantly carrying the crush here, there, will lead only to the cheap taste, I tell you. I have a story. A little boy goes to his dad and asks, "Dad, what is politics?" Dad says, "Well, son, let me try to explain it in this way. See, I am the head of the family, so call me the president or prime minister, whatever. Your mother is the administrator of the money, so call her the government. We are here to take care of your needs, so we will call you the people. The maid, we will consider the working class. And your baby brother, we will call him the future. Now think about that and see if it makes any sense." So the little boy goes off to bed thinking about what dad has said. Later that night, he hears his baby brother crying. He gets up to check on him. He finds that baby has severely soiled his diaper. So the little boy goes to his parents' room and finds his mother sound asleep. Not wanting to wake her, he goes to the maid's room. Finding the door locked, he peeks in the keyhole and sees his father in bed with the maid. He gives up and goes back to bed. Next morning, the little boy says to his father, "Dad, I think I understand the concept of politics now." Father says, "Good son, tell me in your own words, what do you think politics is all about?" The little boy beautifully explains. The prime minister is exploiting the working class. I am using a little better word. While the government is sound asleep and the people are being ignored and the future is in the deep shit. understand, if you carry this subtle crush on whoever you see, that constantly leads you to the deeper and deeper incompletion and continuously creates many wounds in you. That is why in Vedic tradition we have this beautiful ceremony of Raksha Bandhan. With this one knot, everything is sealed. We seal things with the knots clearly. Knot in the hand, brother, bye, bhaiya. Knot in the neck, come on, you hang on me, I hang on you. But everything is clear. Whether you hang on me, I hang on you, or let us hang each other. But it is clear at least. Understand? I think it is time we popularize the Raksha Bandhan. कई बार लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि क्यों हमारे विश्व में इतने काम जीवन मुक्त ज्ञानी है। ये बड़े दौर्भाग्य की बात है कि हम भूल चुके हैं कि हमारे भारत की पुण्य भूमि में अनेकों जीवन मुक्त ज्ञानियों ने अवतरण लिया था। भारत में प्राचीन काल में हर सड़क में कम से कम एक जीवन मुक्त रहा करता था। भारत में अनेकों स्थान जैसे हरिद्वार, वाराणसी, मदुरई, द्वारकाएं सब मोक्षपुरी कहलाते हैं। एक महान अवतार पुरुष कपिल मुनि का उदाहरण देखिए। उनके एक परिवार में ही कितनी महान अवतार पुरुष हुए थे। कपिल मुनि स्वयं भगवान शिव और विष्णु जी के अवतार थे। कपिल मुनि के पिता महान ऋषि कर्दम थे और उनकी माता देवाहुति थी। कपिल मुनि की बहन स्वयं सती थी। कपिल मुनि की बहन अनुसुया जी की पुत्र ही दत्तात्रेय जी थे। So it is possible that in one family so many enlightened beings can happen. Raksha Bandhan is actually a festival of bringing completion to many of the incompletions and wounds you carry related to this crush. The subtle crush you carry, anyone and everyone you see here and there, actually that creates a pattern of getting hurt, getting wounded, and all sorts of insensitivity with life. आज रक्षा बंधन के पावन अवसर पर मैं आप सबको आशीर्वाद देता हूँ। हर विद्यालय या कॉलेज में यदि इस त्योहार को मनाया जाएगा, जरा सोचिए कि कितनी ही यौन अपराध दूर हो जाएंगे। ध्यान से सुनिए। संबंध और दूसरों के प्रति आपका दृष्टिकोण स्पष्ट होने चाहिए। कंप्लीशन। In the first level, actually, the completion opens up literally the Pandora box. All your root patterns, everything opens up. and all the powerful root patterns comes out. But very important thing you need to do at that time is continue with the completion deeper and deeper and deeper. Complete, complete, complete. Complete, complete, complete. Completion is a very important truth to realize anything in your life. Essence of today's satsang is completion. And today, in the inner awakening, we will work on it very deeply, helping each one of you to find your root pattern and complete with it. आज की सत्संग का सारांश है पूर्णत्व. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.